Do you want to go to a YouTube channel and watch videos but don't want to donate and pay monthly sub-monthly? Instead, you want to watch free entertainment? Then go check out BioLogicalEX1. Subscribe and hit notification bell. Link is in the description.
What's going on, Biomaniacs? BioLogicalEX1 is back in the house once again. And today, I am going to be unboxing my brand new gaming keyboard. I bought this brand new in Best Buy for $60. And I have absolutely no idea why they put the price tag right in front. You know, I think the reason why they put the price tag right in front of the box. So, that way, the workers in charge could scan it easy to see how much it costs, you know, without taking a look at the tags in front of the shelf, which it will take them a lot of time and a lot of work hours. So they just use their cell phones just to scan right there, right in front of the box, which that's where they always put it, even though it does look silly on it, to see how much it costs, because it will take them seconds.
See, I usually try to buy this, but the reason why I bought it because my dumbass, when I was cleaning my laptop, I accidentally put a little bit more liquid by mistake, and that liquid had a bleach on it because my laptop was so filthy. So I decided to clean my whole keyboard, right, on my laptop with a bit water and bleach and go to the screen. The screen, everything on the computer is fine. The only problem is that a few keys doesn't work right now. And I did try everything like programming, you know, go to some softwares on my laptop and try to figure it out, and I tried everything, it doesn't work. So I had to take the keys off and just check it aside, but I don't want to take that huge risk because my friend might break my only laptop that I have. So that's why I bought this keyboard, this gaming keyboard, so I can use my laptop again.
But anyway, let's just unlock this bad boy right now. Wow. Just wow. Let me pick this up. Ooh. Okay, empty box. No manual this time. And oh yeah, there's a manual right here. I'm gonna read this manual just for a few minutes. So, well, they got some stickers here. This looks nice. What's the USB? Oh, so this is the USB's cover it. Goes to my laptop. I want to bring this a little closer because I want you to hear the typing, the keys. Okay, sounds pretty cool. All right, back people, I want to connect this to my laptop. Okay, people, I'm back. Just to let you know that my microphone is not on because I ran out of USB space. My other USB slot is connected to my 2 terabyte external drive, so I can't take that off because it's for my live stream video. And look at this. This is beautiful. For $60, you just can't beat that. You just can't beat it. Let me just, you know, give it a little typing test, okay? Okay. Let me just open up the notepad. Okay, this, what you're watching right now, is the installing of my brand new gaming keyboard. I'm just gonna press install. And while it's installing, let me just go to notepad. And I'm just gonna start randomly typing, just like whatever. Okay, here it goes. I know I look awkward like this, but I'm just gonna type every letter, see if it's working. Okay, I'm just typing random stuff on it. So, okay, let me just move it like here because I want to get a good view. We just delete this. I'm just gonna start typing names. See if how this works. Okay, I can't see it that far. Type's pretty good. I mean, I don't know what it says because it's like the letters are way too small. So far, I know I'm just typing terribly. I mean, I'm not like expert typer. The numbers, they work fantastic. Everything works great. I love the changing colors in this bad boy. I mean, look how beautiful it is. It just keeps changing color. This reminds me of that monster light that I got in my office. Beautiful. I think that is enough typing. Between 1 to 10, well, it looks great. It types great. The price is reasonable. 10 out of 10. I can't complain. It's really a nice, good-looking keyboard. Even though I think these extra buttons are like the volumes or the videos. I don't know. I gotta say, for $60, brand new in Best Buy, you can't beat that. I mean, it looks good. It types great. I like the typing sound effect. You know, it's like loud. I mean, it's not as loud as Corso, but it is, you know, kind of decent loud. Other than that, that's about it. If you want like a gaming keyboard, try this brand new Razer. It's BioLogicalEX1. Rate, comment, share, subscribe, hit notification. Be part of the BioManiacs. Peace out, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day, evening, folks. Cheers.